Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. The water spray head is used in place when the upper basket, along with the water spray top, needs to be removed. Usually for when large items are being cleaned, such as baking trays and roasting tins. Start by removing the upper basket and placing it to one side. Here's a close-up look at the water spray head. It connects to the middle outlet on the water supply tube, and the water then feeds through and out the small openings on the head, providing targeted cleaning to help clean those large items. Simply attach and rotate clockwise to lock into place. There are arrows on the part explaining which way to rotate to install and remove. Push the basket rails in, and that's it! Your new dishwasher water spray head is all set to go.